Hi everyone, so we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how we will log in to Fiverr with our second number phone number. Sometimes they want you to verify your account by sending a text message to your number. So we've created an account with Fiverr. We have a phone number with second number, a mobile number. I'm going to log in and it will probably ask me to verify my phone number. So we're trying to log in from a new device. Yes, okay, via text. So I'm going to send ask Fiverr to send me a text message. And what's going to happen is, because we've got notifications enabled on our computer, it sends us, instead of sending us a SMS that we need to look at via our web dashboard in second number, we can instead just see a notification here. So it says here notification code 341681, and then we do 341681, submit, and we're logged in. So what was great about that is that we don't need to go into the second number website or anything like that. We can just have the notification appear on our PC in the corner there with the notification. And the same thing would happen on Android. If you're on an Android phone or indeed Chrome on an iPhone, it will show you a little notification in the system tray with the text message showing up there. So you don't need an app or anything like that. You would enable that option via the second number dashboard. You would go into the settings page on the second number dashboard and enable the tick box that says enable desktop notifications. And you'll do that on any device that you use your second number on. So if you've got 5 mobile phones, you can enable that option, and no matter which mobile phone you're on, you will get the desktop notification or the system notification when a text message comes in. So no apps, nothing. You just need Chrome installed on the device and you're done. Okay, many thanks for watching.